back to my channel. Today we are going to make my children's favorite. We all like this dish. So it's a quick weekday dinner that you can just do in for 10 to 20 minutes and it's ready and everyone sit down and eat. So you need chicken breast. So I'm going to dice everything. Then we'll move on to the next stage. I hope everyone is all right. It has been a while. I've been so busy I couldn't make any video. So I thought I'd come today to make this quick recipe, quick dish, and it doesn't take long. This quick and tasty recipe. I don't know what part of the country you are in. We're in the UK. The weather is not great today, and if you are in the UK, you know what I'm talking about. We had a lovely week, weather last week, and this week it feels like it's gone back to something else. But anyway, back to the recipe. So what we need chicken breast. I'll also need some spices and I'm going to bring them out. So that is ready. I'm going to put down the side. I also need peppers. So I'm going to use some onions, both green peppers, red, just to give the nice color as well. But if you don't have the color here, you can use whatever you got. So you just do this. I use a lot of onion, but you can use only one onion. I like onions, so I'm using onions, and I'm also using what do you call it? Some different spices like paprika, smoked paprika, plain paprika, and other spices. But I'm going to put them all in the description bottom and the box, no bottom, sorry. So yeah, and I'm also going to make guacamole. I can't even speak. Yeah, I'm going to make that. I've got some friends coming for lunch, so that's why I'm making this. And I hope they will like it. It's quick dinner ideas. So I'm going to put that there, the peppers, and I'll do the onions. So I use red and white onions. That this is optional as well. For me, I always say use whatever you got in your house. If you have one onion, just use one onion. If you have more than what I'm saying here, just use it. With cooking, it's just you need to be creative and go according to your pocket. Yes, it's all good when some people just come online with all different types of ingredients. And sometimes you can't even afford it. If you can't afford it, don't do it. Don't spend what you don't have. Because life is expensive these days, and we all know that. So every penny is really. And that's why these fast, quick dinners are ideal for weekdays or weekend. Or whenever really. They are quick, they are tasty, they are easy to make, and you can teach your children how to make them as well, and they will be cooking it for themselves. Well, depend what age. Mine, I taught them now. I taught them how to make it. Now sometimes they make it for themselves, especially when I'm busy. They make it for themselves, and I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, So I'm peeling the onion. It hasn't made me cry yet, and I'm hoping it doesn't, because so you go in and you do this. But if you can't do that, just do it how you like it. I like to cut them round, and go in and just do this. Yeah, like so. So it's almost weekend. However, it's not going to be nice this weekend, so something nice, and we are doing something nice indoors. After last weekend, I thought the weather would be nice, but it's not really. So I'm going to leave this bait and use it for the guacamole. So now I'm going to cut the garlic as well and grate it in the pot. I don't like cutting them, so I'm going to peel it and leave it on the side and grate it. When I get, I'll add it to the pot. So I'm going to leave it like so. So I'm using 3-4 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to leave that there and I'll peel it soon. So we are going to move near the pot now and start with the cooking. See you soon. So now we are going to start preparing the chicken. So I'm going to add some olive oil, just a little bit. It will help if you turn this on, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to add some olive oil, just a little bit, to fry the onion. Another thing that is optional, you don't have to add it. If you don't have onion, if you don't have oil, start frying the chicken. But because I'm going to fry the onion, so I thought I'll add a bit of oil just to fry the chicken and the onion. So I'm going to add a little bit of onion and fry it. While that is heating up, I'll peel the garlic, the rest of the garlic. And the garlic, if you don't like garlic, don't add garlic to it. We love garlic, so, and apparently garlic is good for you. Apparently so. I don't know. I just like it. We all like garlic in this house. Yeah. I don't know how you make your guacamole, but I don't put vinegar in my guacamole. I put salt and other ingredients. So now the onion, you just need to soften it up a bit. And I'll bring the spices that we need to the pot. So now at this point, I'm going to add a bit of salt, a pinch of salt. All right. Just fry the onion a little bit, and now I'm going to add the chicken to it. So just go in and add the chicken. Let us do that so it can be frying onion. Aroma will be nice. Then I'll go and add more onions like so. Okay. So this is a new wok. I got it from Costco. Yeah, and they have a lovely lid. I thought I like it, and I got some. I got one, and it came with a lid. It also came with a fry pan. Yeah, it was nice. It is nice, and it's nice and thick as well. So you won't burn your food. That's why I like it. And apparently, a friend of mine said it's 10-year guarantee. So I'm like, wow, 10-year guarantee sounds good. I guess I'll take it. So I can't remember how much it was, 39 or 49 pounds for this. So I need to double check that. Yeah? That's $10. Okay. And when I finish this, I'll move on to the next stage, okay? So I'm going to cook it a bit and I'll come back and I'll show you the next step. See you soon. So at this point I'm going to add more salt to the chicken. If you don't like salt, don't add salt. And I'm going to add paprika and mix it up a bit. Paprika, onion granule, cajun pepper, and I'm also going to add garlic powder. So 1 tablespoon of everything. And you can add more if you want. Half a table of black pepper powder. You stir it. It's going to make me sneeze now. The pepper. Oh, yeah. So basically, I added smoked paprika, plain paprika. Smoked paprika give it that nice smoky taste to it. Paprika make food taste nice. It does make a difference to food, and that's why I use it in. And with me, I don't like, especially chicken, any white meat. I like to add color to it, so it doesn't look too white, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to add more paprika. Alright. Then I'll grate the garlic. But if you want to do different way, you can. So I grate it. I use my little grater, and I grate this. I got this grater from Sainsbury's. It's quite nice. The spoon, this wooden spoon, I got it from IKEA. And the rest of the food I buy some from, do my shopping mainly from Lidl's, Aldi. But I buy my fruit and vegetables. I don't know about you, but whether you notice or not, since whenever I buy fruit from Aldi and Lidl's, they don't last. So I rather go to Sainsbury's and get my fruit and vegetables from there. Now I'm going to add the peppers to give it a nice color to it as well. So look at that. Delicious. Delicious. Now we just mix it up very well. I don't know what you eat with your wrap and with your chicken. Tortilla chicken. We have it with tortilla crisps. We have it with wrap, whether it's white or wholemeal. It depends, it's choice, isn't it? It tastes very nice already. So now I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook a little bit, and I'll come back and check on it. So now we are going to move on to making the guacamole. So for the guacamole, we need avocado, we need fresh tomato. Actually, let me move it this way so you can see what I'm doing. So fresh tomato, avocado, you know, some of the avocado is not that good because I didn't go to Sainsbury's this week. So that is one. I'm going to use one avocado. Sometimes I buy things from Asda as well, the vegetable and so that is that. I'm going to do the onions. So I like to cut it nice and small so it look nice. Yes. I want to make it look appealing, right? Yeah. So this meal, I need to think how much I spent on that. So I bought a big family tray chicken breast, and we had some last week, and I'm using some today. So it's good actually, because I found out when you buy the smaller pack, there's no price value. So I buy this big pack, family pack, and I use it during the week. Now if it depends what is on the menu for that week. So if that week is wrap with chicken and so that's what I need in that. I'm going to leave the other, the remaining of the onion. I'm not going to chop all the onion, but I'll add one more slice of tomato. Then I'll use a fork to mash it. So what I'll do, I'll add a bit of salt. A little bit of salt to taste. Be careful when you add salt to this because we already have salt in the chicken. So I add a little bit of black pepper, and I will get this fork and mash it up. So you're mashing the avocado, okay? Oh, the avocado needs to be ripe, otherwise it will be jumpy like mine here. And this one is nice and soft. So if it's not ripe, it leaves a bitter taste in the mouth. So you want to make sure it's ripe. So that is that. So you mix it up. Some people add lemon juice. I don't add lemon juice because I don't think, I feel like I tried that before and it didn't taste nice. It tasted bitterness. No, I don't like to taste my guacamole to taste bitter. So I tend to leave it like that. And I'll add a bit of olive oil, a little bit. Another thing that is optional. Just a little bit. That's it. Not much. Not too much. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the lettuce. I'll set this on the side. Remove the lettuce. So this as well, this cling film, I bought it from Costco. Yeah, I do shop in Costco these days. It makes me save a lot of money. And I'll put it on the side. And I'll move on to the next stage. So I'll go and get the rest of the ingredient. I'll be back. So now I'm going to do the cucumber and the lettuce, and I'll put everything in this thing. Look at how beautiful that is. I bought that from, I think, from Bargains, I think, if I remember clearly, or Asda. It's one of those shops. And that, I add everything. In that, when we're having things like simple meals like that. So we'll shake it, and I'll just add it to there, like so. I'll add some here because I don't think it will fit. So I'll add it there. And we'll do the, let me rinse this. Okay. We'll do the cucumber, just slice them just like so. Some people have this, or sometimes I guess they have that with some rice. Their wrap, or instead of their wrap, I prefer the wrap. But I've got some friends who come here, they just have the chicken on its own without the wrap. So some people are very fussy with the food. They are very aware of what to put in their body. Yeah, I don't blame them. Everyone has their preferences, I guess. Then I'll put this here. I'll go in the middle for some dips. And I will add the tortilla crisps. And then like so. Yeah. Without dropping them, that is. Okay. Alright. And the avocado will go on this bit. Then I'll dish the chicken up, and it's going to go on a different plate. So this is it. Oh, I forgot something. The cheese. I'm going to get the cheese. I'm going to put the cheese here. Just like so. You know, this plate, we use it all the time for movie night. You know, we put everything in it. We just sit in front of the television and enjoy the movie and just snack on our food. Right, look at that. Guys, tell me this is so nice. Oh, oh. Now we are going to check on our chicken. So this is what we got. Got all that. Right, I think it's ready now. I didn't add any water, so the water from the chicken, that's what cooked the actual chicken. So now we are going to go in and taste it, and we are ready. Delicious, delicious. So yeah, it was lovely to come back and see you guys. I hope you enjoyed this channel, this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'm going to say bye, au revoir, tara, see ya later. Thank you, love you all, take care, and bye bye.